active that you could your camera. That's why I know it if you are available to answer my question there. And yesterday we talk about introduction, and that's really easy for us, and that you could find it about the several things. Yeah, that's why if you hear about where are you from and also where do you live, that's totally different, everyone ya. Jadi kalau kita mau nanya tempat asal, kita bisa pakai where are you from. Tapi kalau kita mau nanya di mana kamu tinggal, kita bisa pakai where do you live ya. Juga kita bisa pakai live in or maybe stay at ya teman-teman ya. Dan bagi teman-teman yang ingin mendownload recording kita ya, itu juga bro sudah kirim link untuk tutorial download recordingnya. Jadi kalau bingung untuk cara mendownloadnya, silahkan klik aja link tutorialnya juga ada ya teman-teman ya. That's why it's our second meeting. Don't forget that we have about this our model too. That's available based on the link that I have tried to send it ya. Jadi untuk modulnya juga sudah ada di link Zoom, link modul dan juga link tutorial nih. Download recording for this one. And today we're gonna try to talk about something that's really easy for us. And before we try to talk about that ya. Jadi sebelum kita memulai topik kita hari ini, nih Bro Yudis akan memberi sebuah triks ya. Cara menghafal kosakata agar tidak easy come easy go ya, seperti lagu Bruno Mars teman-teman ya. That's why that's a really easy tricks untuk menghafal kosakata. Jadi sangat gampang sekali teman-teman ini triksnya. Jadi kalau mau sembari dicatat silahkan banget ya. That you could take a note about these tricks nih. Sebelum kita ke materi, disclaimer dulu. Akan bro beri sebuah triks ya, cara menghafal kosakata. Because vocabulary is so important for us ya. If you want to try to speak or if you want to try to write nih, that you can use about these tricks nih for that nih. Jadi dalam sebuah kosakata ada beberapa jenis kosakata ya teman-teman. Nah, salah satunya adalah verb ya atau kata kerja. Ketika teman-teman ingin melakukan sebuah tindakan ya atau take an action ya. For example, that you say it's about pergi. Nah, pergi kan sebuah tindakan. Jadi masuknya ke kata kerja ya, teman-teman ya. Or maybe if you want to say it's about eat ya. Atau if you want to say it's about cook ya. Memasak juga sebuah tindakan. Tapi beda lagi kalau kita mau bilang kayak senang ya kan. Senang kan itu feeling ya. Jadi bukan sebuah tindakan, teman-teman. Or if you want to say it looks like a sad ya. Jadi kalau teman-teman bilang sedih itu juga bukan sebuah tindakan, itu lebih ke feeling nih for this one. Jadi verb itu adalah kata kerja atau sebuah kosakata yang menunjukkan sebuah tindakan. Nah, salah satunya di sini ada accept ya. Jadi cara bacanya bukan accept ya, teman-teman ya. That's we could say it about accept nih. Jadi kalau berdasarkan dictionary, cara pengucapannya kita bisa pakai accept, accept. Jadi bukan pakai yang accept, teman-teman ya. That you could say it about accept. Ada juga accompany. Jadi kalau C-nya double seperti ini, teman-teman, berbeda ketika C-nya cuma satu ya. Jadi kalau C-nya cuma satu, berdasarkan pada dictionary, itu artinya adalah perusahaan. Tapi kalau C-nya double ya, atau dua seperti ini lebih ke menemani artinya. That's why don't forget it's our second meeting. You must have dictionary. Jangan lupa teman-teman wajib banget ya teman-teman memiliki kamus dikarenakan we try to learn about language and this our class is basic. That's why dictionary that's really important for us ya atau kamus sangat penting untuk kita. Ada juga that you could say it's about accuse ya teman-teman ya yang artinya adalah menuduh. Jadi cara baca bukan accuse, but that we could say it's about cues. Jadi kita menggunakan Q cara pengucapannya accuse nih. Ada juga achieve mencapai ya. Jadi achieve sama achievement that's totally different ya. Jadi kalau achieve itu tindakan kita yaitu mencapainya. Tapi kalau achievement itu lebih ke prestasi teman-teman ya. Ada juga add yang artinya menambahkan. Wih pasti familiar banget dengan kata-kata add ya. And admire yang artinya mengagumi ya teman-teman ya. And how about this sentence ya? Or sorry, this about this phrase ya. Gimana kalau frase ini? Is it familiar or not ya? Ada yang pernah dengar kata-kata secret admirer? Dan artinya apa sih secret admirer teman-teman? Coba dibuka mic-nya. Apa arti dari
Pengagum rahasia.
yang familiar nih? Cuma satu doang nih, yang familiar, sure? Oke, that's correct ya. Jadi secret admirer itulah pengagum rahasia. Have you ever tried to be a secret admirer? Ada yang pernah menjadi seorang pengagum rahasia di sini? Ada nggak? Coba dibuka mic-nya yang pernah menjadi seorang pengagum rahasia nih. Ada nggak nih? Nobody's? Sure? Nggak ada nih yang pernah menjadi
I've
seorang.
ever
Wow, there's
be
only one nih. There's
uh,
only a
I
universe.
I've ever been secret admirer
Oke,
for my friends.
oke.
Uh, it's been 7 years maybe.
Oke, so this is Awi ya, yang pernah menjadi secret admirer nih di sini ya, teman-teman. Jadi,
I never
as you
like
could...
that. I never
Oke,
like
dua
that.
nih. For this one ya, ada dua nih. It's not only one ya. There's more than one. Whoever try to be a secret admirer, sis Al Sabila nih. Oke, jadi teman-teman, di sini ada beberapa kata kerja, ada admire, admit, advise, and affect ya. Jadi cara untuk menghafal kosakatanya sangat gampang, teman-teman. Kita langsung aja membuat kalimat pendek. Jadi dalam sebuah kalimat terdiri dari subjek, predikat, dan juga objek kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris kita terdiri dari subjek, verb, and also objek ya. Jadi kita letakkan subjeknya, terus verbnya, dan juga objeknya di belakang ya. Cukup menggunakan tiga susunan tersebut, kita bisa menghafalkan kosakata agar tidak easy come easy go ya. Nah, for example nih, I accompany my friend. Jadi aku menemani temanku. Nah, jadi kalau subjek selalu bisa menggunakan I, you, they, we, she, he, it ya teman-teman ya. I aku, you kamu, they itu lebih ke mereka, we itu kami, or maybe it's kind of she, he, it. Kalau she dia perempuan, kalau he dia laki-laki. Kalau it biasanya untuk benda ya. Jadi langsung aja dibuat kalimat pendek seperti ini. Aku menemani temanku. Jadi terdiri dari subjek, verb, dan juga objek ya. Jadi kalau kita menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama seperti ini nggak perlu pakai to be ya teman-teman ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai I am a company. Langsung aja I accompany my friend. Nah, for this. Nah, semisal kosakata yang unfamiliar adalah advice ya. I advise her, for example. Jadi aku menasehati dia. Nah, tapi dianya perempuan ya. Jadi kalau semisal di belakang, kita nggak bisa pakai she ya teman-teman. Kita bisa aja menggunakan yang her nih. Soalnya kalau she bisa digunakan sebagai subjek atau ketika kita ingin mentranslate dia perempuan tapi di depan nih for this one. Or maybe that she said about I accept him. Nah, aku menerima dia. Nah, tapi dianya adalah laki-laki ya teman-teman ya sebagai objek. Jadi kalau objeknya di belakang seperti dia perempuan atau dia laki-laki, jadi kalau dia perempuan bisa pakai her, dia laki-laki bisa pakai him. Tapi kalau mereka bisa pakai them teman-teman. Nah itu berbeda ya antara them dan juga they. Kalau they ditaruh di depan, tapi kalau them kita bisa taruh di belakang nih. Oke, kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba untuk membuat kalimat pendek atau menerapkan triks dari Bro Yudis untuk menghafal kosakata dengan membuat kalimat pendek seperti ini. Dare you try? That you could raise your hand. Kira-kira kita lihat siapa yang ingin mencoba ya. Langsung aja kasih reaction, raise your hand. That's why I know it that you are available to answer. Nggak usah takut salah teman-teman. Bikin kalimat pendek aja dari beberapa kata kerja ini nih. Oke, ada Sis Lala. Come on Sis Lala. Mau pilih yang mana Sis Lala nih?
Agree.
Oke, agree. Setuju. Silakan.
I agree with him.
I agree with him. Okay, that's correct about that Sala. And how about you, sis always? Apakah dua orang aja nih yang berani mencoba ya? Sis always, Sari, open your mic please. And please try to make a short sentence from this. Mau pilih yang mana, sis always?
Kak, nggak bisa dibuka. Saya nggak bisa dibuka. Oh, oke. Okay. I agree with you.
I agree with you. That's correct about that, sis always. And how about you, bro David Kevin? Nih, bro David mau pilih yang mana nih?
Accept.
Accept, alright.
I accept with your fact.
Okay, that's correct for this one. Exactly, bro David. And how about you, sis Septi, Arwini?
I want to try number 5.
Okay, number 5, sis Septi, come on.
Yes, I add my friend in the group.
I add my friend in the group. That's correct about the sis Septi, Ariani. And how about Angel? Which one did you want to choose it? Angel mau pilih yang mana?
Admit.
Admit?
Yes. I admit they are. I admit they are all my friends.
They are all my friend. Okay, that's correct about this one, sis Angel ya. Jadi pakai are dikarenakan tidak ada kata kerja setelahnya ya. Okay, and Melin. Sis Melin mau pilih yang mana nih? Which one that you want to choose it nih?
I admit my fault.
Okay, correct about that, sis Melin. And how about sis Ayu? Mau pilih yang mana, sis Ayu?
Accuse.
Accuse. Okay, go on.
My friend accused me that I broke the vase.
Okay, that's correct about this one, sis Ayu. Oke, kira-kira siapa lagi yang mau mencoba ya? Wah, belum ada yang raise hand lagi nih. Right. Oke, kalau gitu, if nobody raise... Oh, ada sis Asri. Come on, sis Andri. DING.
Okay. I achieve the goals with my friend.
Okay, that's correct about that, sis Asri. Now, so... Wah, sis Nafisa. Come on, sis Nafisa.
My friend accused me eat her food.
Okay, that's correct for this one, sis Nafisa ya. And how about... Okay. Sis Luigi? Silahkan mau pilih yang mana, sis Luigi? Open your mic, please.
I see. I save the goals.
I achieve.
I achieve the goals.
Lagi coba.
I
I achieve
goals.
goals. Okay, that's correct for this one, sis Luigi. And how about you, Bro Gilang? Mau pilih yang mana, Bro Gilang?
Mungkin yang admire ya.
Admire.
Yeah. I admire my teacher.
Okay, that's correct for this one. Or maybe Bro Rustan? Mau pilih yang mana, Bro Rustan?
Company.
A company. Okay, menemani siapa kira-kira nih, Bro Rustan?
I accompany my cook go to supermarket.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Bro Rustan ya. We ada Bro Fahmi. Come on, Bro Fahmi. That you raise your hand and that you are ready to make a short sentence from this. Ya, Bro Fahmi. Add.
I add their number in my phone.
I add her number. That's correct about this one, Bro Fahmi ya. And how about Sis Yani? It's your turn. Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Yani?
He admit he's wrong.
Jadi, Sis Yani, kalau pakai he, admit-nya ada S-nya ya. Jadi kalau ada she, he, atau it.
He's admit he's wrong.
Admit-nya yang ada S-nya, bukan his-nya. He admits. Coba sekali lagi.
He admits he's wrong.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Yani. Okay, tepat sekali. Jadi teman-teman, jadi kalau menggunakan subjek she, he, it, nanti kata kerjanya ditambahkan S ya. Seperti kalimat dari Sis Yani ini. Oke, Sis Al Sabila. Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Al Sabila?
Admit, yeah.
Admit.
Yeah. He admit very kind to me.
Okay, that's correct for this one. And how about Sis Shifa?
Affect, bro.
Oke, Bro Shifa Saputra. Mau pilih yang mana?
Affect.
Affect. Oke.
I want to affect him.
I don't want ya. Pakai aku tidak ingin. That's correct about that, Bro Shiva Saputra. Siskafa, mau pilih yang mana Siskafa nih?
Admire.
Admire, oke.
I admire my mom.
Oke, I admire my mom. That's correct, Siskafa ya. Ada Sis Aziza. Oke, come on Sis Aziza.
Admit.
Admire.
I admit that I like him.
I admit that I like him. Oke, benar. That's correct ya. Ada that-nya di tengah-tengahnya untuk conjunction-nya. Oke, that's nice about that Sis Aziza ya. And Sis Pelni. Mau pilih yang mana Sis Pelni?
Agree.
Agree, oke.
I agree with your opinion.
Oke, coba opinion.
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 Okay, that's nice about that, Sis Palni ya. And how about you, Sis Beta?
The weather affect my mood.
The weather affect my mood. Okay. Mawi?
I advise my friend.
I advise my friend. Tepat sekali Bro Mawi ya. Sis Susinta?
I admit he's handsome.
Nah, he's handsome. That's correct for this one ya, Sis Susinta ya. Dikarenakan handsome-nya itu adalah kata sifat, jadi pakai S ya. That's his. That's correct for this one ya. And Bro Ashraf?
Accompany.
Accompany.
I accompany my brother for work in cruise ship.
Okay, that's correct about that, Bro Ashraf nih, that you accompany your brother for this one ya. Or maybe it's kinds of Sis Naila. Mau mencoba Sis Naila?
Advice.
Advice, okay.
I advise my sister.
I advise my sister. That's correct for this one. And how about you, Sis Irista?
I want add.
Add, menambahkan.
She adds some sugar to her coffee.
Bener. Kalau she, add-nya ada S-nya. Tepat sekali, she adds. That's correct for that ya. And how about you, Sis Eka?
I accept my husband's opinion.
Okay, that's correct about that, Sis Eka. Or Sis Najri?
He agrees about your opinion.
Okay, he agrees ya. That's correct ya. Jadi kalau ada he, kata kerjanya ada S-nya, tepat Sis Najri ya. And how about you, Sis Echa? Mau pilih yang mana?
Agree.
Agree?
Yes. I agree with your statement.
I agree with your statement. Bisa. Tepat sekali Sis Echa ya. Or maybe Sis Ria?
I add you to join Zoom meet.
I add you to join Zoom meeting. Benar ya. Alright. And Oppo? Ada nggak nih Oppo? Wah, nggak ada. Or maybe Sis Viana? Wah, there's no response you. Bro Satria Arifin? Wah, there's no response. Or it's kinds of Sis Uci? Wah, no response to. Or Sis Siti Nurma? Okay, that's about no response ya. Alright, so jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman ya untuk menghafal kosakatanya. Jadi langsung aja dibuat kalimat pendek. Jangan dihafal word by word ya. Accept menemani, accompany, accept menerima, accompany menemani, no, or maybe accuse menuduh. Jadi langsung aja dibuat kalimat pendek that you could make So sentence nih for this one ya, exactly ya teman-teman ya. Jadi seperti ini cara untuk menghafal kosakatanya nih. Nah, ada juga kalau kita mau menyebutkan apa yang kita sukai ya teman-teman ya. If you want to mention about some things that you like it nih. Wah si Sofia mau coba tadi. Apa sih Sofia? Which one that you want to choose it? Mau pilih yang mana? Kata kerjanya. Ada nggak si Sofia? Sure? Wah, nothing? Ada suara si Sofia? Sure?
Okay.
That you could.
Oh,
Nah, saya mau pilih yang mana si Sofia?
I wanna try with the advice.
Mm-mm.
I try to advise my sister. That's
I try to advise, right ya. Mencoba untuk menasihati ya. That's
yeah.
nice, si Sofia, that you have tried about that. Nah, setelah itu teman-teman, setelah tadi kita membahas tentang bagaimana cara untuk menghafal kosakata ya teman-teman. And now cara menyebutkan apa yang kita suka ya. Jadi kalau like pasti familiar ya teman-teman ya. Jadi ada dua jenis like yang kita bisa temukan. Ada like yang ada tambahan to teman-teman. Jadi like-nya itu ada to-nya di sini. Ada like yang tanpa to ya. Nah, for this one. Yang membedakan adalah cara penyusunan. Jadi kalau I like ditambahkan to, itu pakai verb 1 seperti tadi ya, accompany or advise, itu adalah verb 1 ya teman-teman ya. Or maybe that you say about admit ya, or maybe accuse ya, admire, itu lebih ke verb 1 nih. Jadi kalau ada to pasti kembalinya ke verb 1 ya, wajib kita pakai verb 1. Tapi kalau to kita hilangkan, wajib kita tambahkan verb ing ya teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau ada to, itu verb 1 kita gunakan atau basic verbnya. Tapi kalau tidak ada to, kita bisa pakai yang verb ing nih. For example, that you say it about I like eating. Nah, itu juga bisa ya, atau I like to eat. Soalnya di sini contohnya I like to eat. Jadi nggak cuma pakai to aja, kita kalau hilangkan to-nya kita bisa pakai verb ing. I like eating atau I like hiking. Nah, bro kalau hiking kita ubah menjadi ditambahkan to untuk like-nya bisa juga bisa. Jadi I like to hike. Jadi kita ubah menjadi ke verb 1 ya. Jadi verb 1 itu ketika tidak ada verb ing-nya ya teman-teman ya. Atau basic verb sebuah kata kerja. Or maybe if you want to say it, it looks like kayak tadi agree. Agree itu adalah verb 1. Tapi kalau kita mau bilang verb ing-nya, I is about agreeing for this one. Jadi ini bukan present continuous ya teman-teman ya. Jadi ada beberapa kata kerja yang kita ubah menjadi objek ya dengan cara kita tambahkan verb ing. Or maybe if you want to say it's about aku suka menemani ya. Aku suka menemani ibuku. Berarti that you could say it's about I like accompanying my mom. Jadi kita bisa pakai verb ing. I like accompanying for this one. Ketika tidak ada to-nya. Tapi kalau ada to-nya, berarti kita bisa ucapin I like to accompany. Jadi ing-nya hilang kalau ada to ya. Jadi clue-nya adalah ada to atau tanpa to. Bisa pilih salah satu dan maknanya sama ya teman-teman ya. Ada suka. Artinya adalah suka. Jadi bisa menggunakan salah satu dari jenis like ini. Jadi like ada dua jenis. Ada yang like to, ada yang like verb ing. Dua-duanya sama. Artinya suka. Yang membedakan adalah cara penyusunannya aja ya. Jadi kalau pakai to harus pakai verb one. Tapi kalau tidak ada to kita pakai verb ing ya. Semisal Bridis mau pakai ini. Aku suka bermain bola. Kita bisa pakai to, bisa tanpa to ya teman-teman ya. I like to play football. I like to play football. Ini yang pakai to. Tapi kalau yang pakai ing, berarti to-nya kita hilangkan. Berarti play-nya kita ubah menjadi ing ya. Berarti I like playing football. Bisa pilih salah satu untuk menyebutkan apa yang teman-teman suka ya. Bisa pakai to atau tanpa to nih. Nah selanjutnya ada enjoy teman-teman. Yang artinya menikmati ya. I enjoy watching. Berarti aku menikmati menonton ya. I enjoy watching. Atau maybe that you say about I enjoy driving a car ya. Jadi aku menikmati mengendarai mobil. Jangan lupa kalau ada kata kerjanya kita ubah menjadi verbing agar tidak double. Dikarenakan kalau dalam penyusunan kalimat ada double kata kerja nggak bisa ya teman-teman ya bentuk pertama ya. Jadi yang satu mengalah kita ubah menjadi verbing agar itu bukan menjadi kata kerja tapi berubah menjadi objek. I enjoy watching. Atau I enjoy listening to music ya. Aku menikmati mendengarkan musik ya. Atau I enjoy eating Chinese food ya. Or maybe that you said I enjoy trying this new hobby ya. Jadi aku menikmati mencoba hobi ini. Okay, that you could say it about that. And also ada juga keen on. Keen on sama fond of ini artinya sama-sama suka ya. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang suka, kita nggak cuma menggunakan like aja teman-teman. Kita juga bisa pakai fond of atau keen on. Jadi agar terlihat keren teman-teman, bisa banget nih menggunakan keen on atau fond of agar terlihat berbeda juga. That you can use about keen on atau fond of. Jadi ini sinonim dari like ya teman-teman ya. Yang membedakan adalah cara penyusunannya. Jadi kalau keen on atau fond of, kita wajib tambahkan to be-nya teman-teman. I am keen on. Atau you are keen on. She is keen on. Atau they are keen on. Jadi harus ada verb ing dan juga harus ada to be. Contohnya kayak I am keen on reading. Atau I am fond of listening to music ya. Jadi untuk like dan juga keen on atau fond of, itu maknanya sama teman-teman. Artinya sama-sama suka ya. Jadi nggak ada yang membedakan nih for this. Okay. If I try to ask you ya, kira-kira teman-teman akan pilih yang mana nih? Untuk mencoba membuat kalimat suka ini ya. Sis Adel, coba Sis Adel mau coba bentuk yang mana? Mau pakai like to, like verb ing, enjoy, keen on, or maybe fond of nih? Wah, nggak ada. Sis Adel, or maybe Sis Adinda? Mau coba bentuk yang mana Sis Adinda?
I am keen on shopping.
I am keen on cooking. Tepat Sis Adinda ya. And Sis Nafisa, mau coba tipe yang mana nih? Sis Nafisa?
I enjoy doing drawing.
I enjoy doing drawing. Jadi Sis Nafisa tepat sekali ya. I enjoy doing drawing. Tapi nanti kalau Sis Nafisa ketemu I enjoy drawing, sama ya. Tepat juga ya kalimatnya ya. Oke. That's nice Sis Nafisa. And how about Mimi? Mungkin Mimi mau mencoba tipe yang mana Mimi?
I like to try some recipe.
I like to try some recipes. Okay, that's nice Sis Mimi ya. And how about you Sis Ani Rohayani? Or Bro Iqbal? Oke, Sis Ani mau tipe yang mana nih ya? Mau dicoba?
I like to cook.
I like to cook, bener ya. Jadi kalau ada tuh kembali ke verb one nih. Or maybe Bro Kanji atau Sis Eka Desi mau mencoba tipe yang mana kira-kira? Oke, come on Bro Kanji.
I am fond of trying something new.
I am fond of trying something new. That's correct about that Bro Kanji ya. Or maybe Bro Aska atau Sis Susinta 3624. Oh, udah Sis Susinta, silakan. Okay, that's correct Sis Susinta. And how about you Sis Siska? Okay, it's nothing Sis Siska. Or maybe Samsung? Or maybe Sis Ria? It's nothing too. Or Sis Salma? Or Sis Dinda? Gak ada juga. Sis Salma or maybe Sis Dinda? Or Bro Farel? Atau Sis Lita? Apakah ada nih Bro Farel or maybe Sis Lita ya? Let's wait and see nih for this. Wah, there's nothing too. Or Sis Maylin? Wah, tampaknya Sis Melin is still busy for that. Ada. Silakan Sis Melin, mau pilih yang mana?
Coba, I like to aerobic.
I like to aerobic. Okay, that's correct for this one, Sis Melin. And how about you, Bro Fajar or Bro Leo? Ada gak nih Bro Fajar or Bro Leo? Or Sis Sakina? Wow, there's nothing to. Okay. Or maybe Sis Lala? Mau coba tipe yang mana nih?
I enjoy. I'm keen on. Listening music.
Okay, I'm keen on listening music. Nice, Sis Lala. Sis Sakina, mau pilih yang mana?
I like to cooking.
Nah, kalau pakai ing, nggak bisa pakai to, Sis Sakina. Berarti I like cooking aja, coba.
Okay. I like cooking.
Okay, that's correct, Sis Sakina. And how about you, Sis Melin? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Melin? Tipe untuk menyebutkan apa yang Sis Melin sukai.
I'm keen on ride my bicycle.
I'm keen on riding my bicycle.
Riding my bicycle.
Oke, tepat Sis Melin ya. Oke. Iya benar sekali Sis Adinda. Jadi kalau keen on sama fond of harus pakai verb ing. Nggak bisa pakai verb one ya. Jadi pakai verb ing aja nih. Sis Al? Sabila mau pilih yang mana Sis Al? Wah, there's nothing. Or maybe Maui? Bro Maui, which one that you want to choose it, Bro Maui?
I like live streaming and interact with any viewer.
Okay, that's correct. I love live streaming ya. That's nice about this. Bro David?
He is fond of meeting with me.
He is fond of, bener ya. That's correct. Jadi kalau he, ada isnya. Tepat sekali Bro Kevin. Bro Gilang? Mau pilih yang mana Bro Gilang?
I am fond of studying programming language.
Okay, that's correct. I am fond of studying nih. Bro Fahmi?
I like scrolling.
I like scrolling social media. Okay, bener ya. And how about you, Sis Aziza? Which one that you want to say it nih?
I am keen on dancing.
I'm keen on dancing. Tepat Sis Aziza. Right, Sis Yani? Which one that you want to choose it, Sis Yani?
I'm fond of cooking cake with my mom.
Okay, I'm fond of cooking cake with my mom. Okay, tepat Sis Yani. Sis Ayu, mau pilih yang mana Sis Ayu? Which one that you want to choose it?
I'm enjoying to do. I enjoy to working from home.
Oke, jadi kalau enjoy nggak perlu pakai to, Sis Ayu. Langsung aja I enjoy working. Coba sekali lagi, Sis Ayu.
I enjoy working at home.
Oke, that's nice, Sis Ayu. Jadi kalau enjoy nggak perlu pakai to ya, teman-teman. Yang pakai itu cuma like aja nih. And Sis Alma. Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Alma?
I like singing Indian songs.
Okay, I like singing Indian song. That's correct. Sis Angel?
I like to use fond of.
Okay, correct, Sis Angel. Sis Always? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Always nih?
I'm keen on planting flowers and vegetable.
Oke, coba. Vegetable lagi. Vegetable. Jadi nggak perlu pakai vegetable.
Sorry. I am keen on planting flowers and vegetable gitu.
Oke, nice, Sis Uwis. Ini plantingnya, ini vegetable-nya apa aja nih Sis Uwis yang ditanam?
Spinach.
Spinach ya, as a common things ya. It looks like a spinach for that. Okay, nice as always. And how about you, Sis Septi? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Septi?
I like to read novel.
I like to read novel, correct ya. Jadi kalau ada tuh kembali ke verb one nih. Sis Naila?
I enjoy Singing.
I enjoy singing. Tepat sekali, Sis Naila. And how about it looks like Bro Ashraf?
I'm keen on listening when my friend tells stories.
Oke. Bisa ya. Jadi kalau ada bandnya di tengah juga boleh banget ya. Ketika nih artinya. Nice Bro Ashraf. Siskafa? Mau pilih yang mana Siskafa?
I'm fond of shopping.
Oke, I'm fond of shopping ya. That you try to say it about this one. And how about you? Sis Sofia mau pilih yang mana?
I'm fond of sitting outside.
Oke, I'm fond of sitting outside. Benar ya? Jadi kalau ada fond of-nya, kita tambahkan verb ing for that nih. Oke, or maybe Bro Satria? Mau pilih yang mana Bro Satria? Which one that you want to choose it?
I enjoy to fight with my brother.
Oke, that's about that bro. Satria ya, pilih yang enjoy nih for this one. Jadi ini dia teman-teman ya, cara untuk menyebutkan apa yang kita suka nih for this. Nah, di sini ada beberapa box of vocabulary, ada beberapa kosakata yang kita bisa temukan teman-teman. We could find it about this exactly. Di sini ada reading books, membaca buku nih. Mungkin di sini ada yang suka banget membaca buku ya. And what kind of book that you like to read nih? Suka baca buku apa aja nih? Jadi kalau ada reading, kita bisa gunakan untuk yang like, enjoy, keen on atau fond of teman-teman. Di sini soalnya adalah reading ya. Itu adalah verb ing. Dancing juga sama. Dancing kita bisa gunakan untuk yang keen on, fond of ya, enjoy kita bisa gunakan ya, atau like juga kita bisa gunakan. Singing juga sama nih. Alright. Itu lebih ke bernyanyi ya. That you could say it about this one. Mungkin ada yang suka bernyanyi di sini. I like singing ya. Jadi nggak bisa pakai to ya kalau singing teman-teman ya. Kita harus tanpa to kalau untuk yang singing nih. Tapi kalau pakai to kita bisa pakai I like to sing for this one. Ada juga listening to music ya, mendengarkan music. And musical instrument itu lebih ke alat musik di sini. And also learn language ya. Nah, learn language kita bisa pakai yang to nih. I like to learn a language. Aku suka belajar sebuah bahasa nih for that nih. And shopping, wow. Kalau shopping nih, kira-kira teman-teman siapa yang di sini suka banget shopping nih? Dan biasanya teman-teman suka shopping apa aja nih? What kind of thing do you usually try to buy nih? Coba kirim jawabannya di chat dong. Broidus mau tahu teman-teman yang suka shopping biasanya suka shopping apa? Apakah suka shopping emas? That you love to buy is kinds of gold like that? Or maybe that you love to buy is kinds of as a part of your daily need nih? Kalau teman-teman yang suka belanja nih, biasanya suka belanja apa ya? Coba kirim jawabannya di chat room ya. I want to know it about that nih. Atau mungkin ada yang suka, wih, Sis Ria gold Antam. Oke, waduh, ternyata ada yang suka shopping emas ya. Wow, kalau Sis Eka, wow, I like shopping clothes for my grandson ya. Alright. Sis Uci, all discount product ya. Wah, kalau Sis Alma lebih ke skincare sama makeup ya. Sis Lala, I like shopping a book. Waduh, buku apa aja tuh Sis Lala ya? Wah, kalau Sis Kava shopping skincare sama cute stuff ya. Alright, Sis Sakina. Cute-nya dulu baru dress ya, Sis Sakina ya. Cute dress. Cute-nya dulu baru dressnya Sis Sakina. Kalau Sis always I like shopping hijab and gamis nih. Kalau Bro Gilang, all of them are women. Yes, of course, Bro Gilang. That's correct ya. Who love shopping for that nih. Anything about food kalau Sis Septi lebih tim yang makan ya. Sis Alsabila I like shopping bag and shoes. Oke, nih. Yang cowok-cowok nggak ada yang suka shopping di sini ya teman-teman ya. Wow, Sis Asri same like Kava ya. Wah, Sis Maylin a bit about dress juga. Oke. Sis Najri, I like shopping everything. Wah, kalau ini tak tampak ya. Sukanya apa aja tapi semua ya. That you like it. Sis Susinta, I like shopping clothes and bag nih. Spesifik lebih ke clothes sama tas aja ya. Sis Viana, wait, I like traveling. Wah, kalau Sis Viana lebih ke traveling for this one ya. I don't like shopping because I don't have lot money. Okay, yes, of course, Bro David. That's we are same ya. We are broke for this one. Wow, Bro Fahmi lebih ke motorcycle part ya. Wih, keren nih. That you love motorcycle so much ya, Bro Fahmi ya. Oke. Oke, Sis Luigi cuma money aja that you love it ya. That's why that you dislike about shopping. Nih. I'm keen on shopping with my daughter kalau si Sophia ya. Oke. Nah, ada juga di sini. It looks like traveling ya, jalan-jalan and hiking, mendaki, teman-teman cycling, bersepeda. Jadi kalau kita nyebutin bersepeda, kita bisa ucapin cycling ya. Nah, ada juga exercise, olahraga nih. Kalau tadi shopping banyak ya. Kalau olahraga gimana nih? What kind of exercise that you do it nih, teman-teman? Kalau exercise ada nggak exercise nih? How about exercise nih? Okay, I'm keen on reading novel, especially from sastra Indonesia. Wih, keren, Sis Ayu ya. That you love reading nih for this. Kalau olahraga ada nggak nih teman-teman? Wah, si Sofia love swimming. Oke. Sis Najri, I like to work out daily. Wow, Sis Mimi running. Wow, ada 3 orang yang suka exercise nih. Wow, Bro David, I enjoy jogging. Oke, Sis always padel. Alright. Nih. Siapa lagi nih? Who love exercise so much nih? Wih, badminton. Sis Luigi enjoys swimming. Alright. Wah, Sis Al Zumba. Alright. Sis Sakina, I like to work out at home nih. Alright. Bro Gilang, I'm fond of playing volleyball ya. Sis Asri, wah gym. Oke. Wah, Bro Satria, boxing. Waduh, that's really cool nih. Sis Irista, I enjoy swimming. Oh, banyak ya teman-teman ya yang suka olahraga di sini. Sis Kava, I enjoy swimming too. Alright. Sis Ani, I like cooking ya. Just a part of the thing that you're gonna have it for this nih. I enjoy aerobic and Zumba ya. I like swimming in the beach because the sea makes me calm. Okay, that's nice Bro Asraf ya. And also because that you work on the cruise ship ya. Sis Ria, wih, I enjoy Pilates juga. Wah, nice Sis Ria. Okay. Wow, Bro Farel, I like boxing at house day. Okay, nice Bro Farel ya. Ada juga drawing ya, teman-teman menggambar, collecting stamp. Ada juga playing games, cooking, gardening, playing board games, walking, berjalan kaki. Ada juga writing stories, fishing, memancing di sini. Photography is a part of photography and swimming, berenang and hangout. Lebih ke nongkrong ya teman-teman. Jadi kalau hangout kita bisa pakai verb to di sini. I like to hang out ya. Tapi kalau fotografi nggak perlu pakai to, dikarenakan ini udah objek ya. I like photography for this. Oke, nah Bro kasih tantangan teman-teman. Kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba menggunakan beberapa box of vocabulary ini? Bisa pakai keen on. I am keen on. Or maybe that you say it's about I am fond of ya. I am fond of. That you could say it's about it. Or maybe that you can say it's about I enjoy. Kalau ada yang mau pilih lebih dari satu juga boleh teman-teman. I enjoy. Or maybe if you want to say it's about I like. Juga bisa kita gunakan. Nah, kalau mau pakai like to juga bisa. Tapi syaratnya harus diubah menjadi ke verb one ya. Beberapa verb ing ini. Contohnya kalau kita mau bilang. I like to play games nih for this one. Jadi kalau mau pakai to. Harus diubah menjadi ke verb one, teman-teman. Oke. Sis Luigi, mau pilih yang mana? Which one did you want to choose it?
I am fond of photography.
I am fond of photography. That's correct. And how about you? It looks like Bro Rustan. Mau pilih lebih dari satu juga boleh ya. If you want to choose more than one.
Halo coach.
Mau pilih yang mana Bro Rustan?
I like.
I like apa?
I like swimming.
Okay. I like swimming ya. That you choose it nih. That's nice Bro Rustan. And how about you? Sis Ria? Mau pilih yang mana Sis Ria?
I'm fond of traveling with my husband.
Okay, that's correct for this one, Sis Ria. That you choose about traveling, ya. And how about you, Sis Kava? Mau pilih yang mana?
I enjoy gardening.
I enjoy gardening. Oke, Bro Satria, pilih yang mana, Bro Satria? That's nice, Sis Kava.
I enjoy exercise
I
with my
enjoy
friend.
exercise with my friend. That's nice. And how about you, Sis Echa? Kalau mau pilih lebih dari satu juga boleh ya, teman-teman ya. Wah, nggak ada. Oke, Sis Echa, silakan.
I like playing games.
I like playing game. Tepat, Sis Echa. Or maybe Sis Eka? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Eka? Okay. That's nice. Okay. That's correct about this one, ya. Sis Eka. And how about you? Bro Leo? Or Sis Najri? Come on, Sis Najri.
I like to collecting stamps.
Jadi kalau tuh collect-nya diubah menjadi ke verb 1 dulu. I like to collect. Okay. And how about you, Bro Leo? Mau pilih yang mana nih, Bro Leo? Okay, that's nice about that. Or Bro Shiva Saputra? Mau pilih yang mana, Bro Shiva? Which one that you want to choose it?
I'm fond of cycling.
I'm fond of cycling, tepat. Sis Pelni? How about you, Sis Pelni?
I like shopping.
I like shopping. Okay, correct for this one. Sis Siti Nurma? Or Sis Yani? Come on, Sis Siti.
Yeah.
Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Siti?
I'm keen on writing stories.
Okay, I'm keen on writing story. Nice, Sis Siti ya. Sis Adel? Wah, there's no response. Or maybe Sis Adinda?
I enjoy traveling with my husband.
Okay, nih for this one. And how about Sis Nafisa or Sis Beta? Ada Sis Nafisa, come on.
I like hang out with my friend.
Okay, that's correct for this one. Sis Beta?
I like to sing some songs.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Beta. Mimi or Sis Ani?
I like to play musical instrument.
Okay, I like to play musical instrument. Tepat Sis Mimi ya. Sis Ani, mau pilih yang mana?
I like to cook.
I like to cook. Okay, that's nice. Oh, okay, Sis Eka, that's never mind ya, because that you are at the airport nih. Sis Asri?
I like to cook
Okay, I like traditional
home.
food at home. Okay, nice, Sis Asri ya. And how about Sis Eka Desi or Sis Siska? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Eka Desi?
I enjoy learn a language.
I enjoy. Kalau enjoy, learn-nya harus ada ing-nya, Sis Eka. I enjoy learning. Coba sekali lagi.
Okay. I enjoy learning a language.
Oke, nice, Sis Eka. Jadi kalau ada enjoy atau keen on atau fond of, atau mungkin like aja harus pakai verb ing nih. Sis Ria aja or Sis Salma?
I like to learn a language.
That's nice, Sis Ria aja nih. Salma, nothing ya. Or maybe Sis Lita or Bro Farel? Wah, nggak ada juga. Sis Melin or Bro Fajar?
I like traveling and cooking.
I like traveling and cooking. Wah, pilih dua. Nice, Sis Melin ya. Sis Sakina, mau pilih yang mana?
Mungkin on writing.
I like to cook.
I like to cook. Okay, that's correct for this. And how about Samsung atau Sis Irista or Bro Najib?
I enjoy traveling with my family.
Oke, nice Sis Irista. Samsung?
I
I
like to
like
taking exercise and
Nice Bro
exercise.
Najib. And Samsung?
I like collecting old money.
Waduh, collecting money ya. That's correct for this one.
Old money.
Okay, that's a really cool for this one. Samsung ya. Oke, Bro Iqbal? There's nothing nih for this. Okay, that's why that's really easy ya teman-teman ya. When you try to make a sentence from this ya. Jadi sangat gampang sekali kan. Ketika teman-teman membuat kalimat dari beberapa kosakata ini nih for this ya. Okay, so nah, if kinds of things that you have tried to say it ya. Thus that you have tried to put above this one. And I'm really curious teman-teman. What do you do when you are bored nih? Apa yang teman-teman lakukan ketika teman-teman lagi bosan ya? Cara jawabnya bisa pakai kin on atau fond of ya. Nih yang sudah risen, siap-siap untuk bertanya untuk what do you do when you are bored? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika kamu bosan? Sis Alma? What do you do when you are bored?
If I bored, usually I singing a music.
Jadi nggak perlu pakai singing ya. Usually I sing langsung Sis Alma. I usually.
Okay.
Okay, that's really nice for this one. Or maybe Bro Gilang, what do you do when you are bored?
When I'm bored, I maybe playing games.
Okay, I play game for that. Bro Mawi, what do you do when you are bored?
Maybe scrolling TikTok.
Okay, scrolling TikTok that you choose it. Bro Fahmi, what do you do when you are bored? Apa yang Bro Fahmi lakukan kalau lagi bosan?
I like watching movie.
Bisa pakai like juga. I like watching movie. Nice Bro Fahmi. Bro David, what do you do when you are bored?
I enjoy playing a game.
Okay, I enjoy playing game. Pakai yang enjoy. Nice Bro David ya. And how about Sis Saroja? What do you do when you are bored, Sis Saroja? Kalau Sis Saroja lagi bosan, apa yang Sis Saroja lakukan nih?
I like cooking and play with my children.
Okay, nice about that Sis Saroja. Sis Fiana, what do you do when you are bored?
I enjoy play with my son.
Pakai ing dong. Playingnya.
Oh.
I enjoy playing with my son. Coba lagi.
Enjoy playing with my son.
Nice about that, Sis Fiana. Sis Angel, what do you do when you are bored?
I am fond of watching Korean dramas.
I'm fond of ya, yang dipilih. Nice, Sis Angel. Sis Yani, what do you do when you are bored?
I'm keen on read book in the library.
Nah, keen on. Pakai verb ing dong readnya.
Oh,
Berarti
gitu.
I'm keen on reading.
Reading book. I'm keen on reading book in the library.
Okay, that's nice, Sis Yani. Sis Naila, what do you do when you are bored?
I enjoy reading.
Writing lagi. I enjoy writing.
I enjoy writing.
Okay, nice about that. And Sis Lala?
I like listening music.
Okay, I like listening music for this one ya. And how about it looks like Sis Melin?
I like to sew something.
Apa? I like to?
Sew.
Sew. Okay, I like to sew. Okay, that's nice for that. Sis Melin. And how about you, Sis Sophia? What do you do when you are bored? Wah, nggak ada? Or Sis Ayu?
When I'm bored, suddenly I have to read, but usually just scrolling on a TikTok.
Oh, usually just scroll for that ya. Nice as Ayu and Septi. What do you do? What do you do when you're bored?
I like to read novel, but sometimes I scrolling TikTok and Instagram.
Okay, that's nice as Septi ya. Sis Beta, what do you do when you are bored?
I do watching movie when I'm bored.
Okay, that's about of things ya. Okay, so that's really nice teman-teman. That's so really active today ya. Semua teman-teman sangat aktif nih di hari ini. That's really cool. Give applause to you guys. Pertahankan keaktifan teman-teman. Kita ketemu lagi besok ya. Jadi hari ini kita menyusun kalimat dari apa yang kita suka. Give applause to you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. And see you tomorrow teman-teman. Thank you.